What's going on, my fellow Homo sapiens? Bornpasta here. Today we're going to be playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It's a damn game. We have really run out of ideas. We've already run out of ideas with movies. We got fucking ABCs of Death. Now we got Texas Chainsaw Massacre game. You know what? Let's read this. Let's read all this. Why not do something an unemployed single 24-year-old man would do?
Hi.
Hey Carl, what up? We're playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre, a fucking game.
Don't read it.
Don't read it. I'll do it anyway. This doc autosave. This game automatically. This game saves automatically. Let's save. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Leatherface down in the bottom. A gun interactive and
1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt.
I was reading Heartstopper.
No physical evidence. The investigation is stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths?
Book 5 I got to page 306 and yay.
The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas.
Alright, we're actually playing this. Jesus, this is loud. We're gonna play. This is probably longer though. Customization. See, Virginia, it just wants me to remember her, huh? All right, y'all, I'm officially duned up. This motherfucker ain't duned up though, so yeah, I'm duned up. Oh yeah, we even got some bozo limping on cocaine right now. So. Victims.
Well, I'm so behind I need to play this loudly crying face.
Why not? I mean, I decided why not. Family.
You're part of the family now. It's up to you to secure the property and stop victims from escaping.
It's a psychopathic brother from the movie, the original.
Keep all doors locked. Make sure all exits are closed, trapped, or guarded. Make sure to monitor crucial pieces of equipment like generators, the fuse box, and the water valve pump.
Fuse box, it's gonna be like Murder House.
These items played a huge role in whether or not victims will have an easy path to escape. Make sure to collect blood from drainage buckets scattered around the map.
You can say it's brother.
Victims directly. Feed this new
Is better than the Friday game.
I don't know. This is my first time playing. I have the game on my Switch. I know which one you're talking about.
Finding and highlighting victims for the whole family to see. Feed Grandpa enough that he'll give the family new abilities that can be used for the rest of the match.
Yeah, you're talking about this one, aren't you?
Grandpa is the best.
Friday the 13th, the game.
Hunt down the victims.
Oh, it's made by the same people.
Look for signs of movement and listen for noise.
Alright. Oh shit, this is online? What? No shit! Okay.
Yeah, the online one. Nice game.
Just for clarity, I don't want to forget about her. It's just something that I can't let go of. It's my ex-girlfriend, just in case y'all couldn't tell.
Shit, I'm the cook. English, motherfucker, do you speak it? What? Unable to find enough suitable players. But chat, is this online? I don't fucking know if this is entirely online or not. Y'all leading me to Texas, motherfucker. See? Same exact name right there.
It's basically Dead by Daylight.
Oh. I don't know. I mean, I thought there's gonna be a story. Is there a story? Original. Nah, just online shit. Cause I'm not gonna sit here and wait for people to fucking join the lobbies. Fuck it, I'll play as the victim. Come on, y'all, we gotta ready up. Bro, Splotty, what the fuck is taking so long? You good? Motherface come visit you? About fucking time! Splotty, ready up, loser!
Been a night of memories and celebration, turning an otherwise uneventful senior dance when two local men, identified as 43-year-old Pocket Wafer and his 24-year-old son Ranway, entered the gymnasium with a variety of bladed weapons and began attacking those inside. 6 students, all members.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god. What are they doing to me? What the hell's going on? Oh god. Wait. Maybe through here? I wonder where this goes. Okay. This might help the pain.
Oh, what the fuck?
I think I can make it. It's locked.
Ah, fuck! No, fuck!
That was fast.
I know, first time and I fucking suck. Oh. Like the ending of the movie. Thank you. Of course. Of course.
.com. Shit's earned a staggering 7 primetime Emmy
What the fuck is
Awards
this
and
kid
9
saying?
trophies total.
Alexa, shut the fuck up. What were you just saying? It's Eric 28. Fuck were you just saying, kid? Is that Virginia?
I told that boy not to bring those girls around here. Look at the dang mess he stirred up.
Alright, now I'm the killer. Those chickens better let me know.
You're supposed to be the tough one around here. They are making a fool out of you, boy.
I'm holding that shit in since 1840-12.
1840-12. Spell.
Yeah. Oh shit, where is he?
I ain't much interested in chasing you around much longer. So see what you
Dude, you fucked.
Help me!
Shit. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, let me know in the comment section down below. Tell me if you've ever played this game or if you've seen the movie. Any of the movies count. This is based off of the 70s film, the 1974. I'm definitely going to play this in my spare time. It's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you folks in the next one.